Well, I was raised up as a Georgia Bulldog fan, and I sure do hate it when they lose. But when they lose, I don't get mad, 'cause these Falcon boys come on TV on Sundays. And they're 5-0 because they're good. And by God, I believe it might be our year we can hold up a Lombardi trophy. We got a good coach now, and that's all that matters. I believe this is gonna be our year. I'm holding and keeping my fingers crossed. So them New Orleans boys, they better watch out. 'Cause I tell you, Dan Quick is on the sideline as the head coach for them ATL Birds. And you better recognize we don't come to play. We come to win. Son, how about them Birds?